Hello everyone, today we're gonna cook Mung Bean Stew.
What are ingredients?
The ingredients we have tomato, sweet potato, carrot, potato, mung beans, Chinese cabbage, marica, basil leaf, onions, garlic, red onions, salt, ginger and soy sauce.
What are we gonna do next?
So first we put some oil and turn on the fire and we put garlic and also put onions and ginger and red onions. So we mix it. Keep it until it's fragrant. So and then we put potato, red sweet potato, and carrots, and also potato. And roll it again. Then you put some water. Chia, can you pass water for me? Keep it until it boils, and we can put some ingredients. So you can keep it until potato is soft, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So now the sweet potato and potato is cooked. So and then we put the mung beans. So the mung bean is already cooked. So mix it together. And then we put the moringa. And Chinese cabbage. And basil leaf. And we put tomato and mix it.
Why we use mung bean?
Because it have a lot fiber and protein.
Can we use other green leaf?
Yeah, you can. Because it can have children and can have the people they don't like vegetable. So now I think it's soft, and then put soy sauce.
Looks so yummy.
Yeah. And sauce, we put it all. And mix it. Then you can keep it a minute. So now it cooked. Turn off the fire. And serve it on the bowl.
Smells so good.
Yeah. You want to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now mung bean stew is finished and I hope you guys can do it at home. Thank you for watching.